Hey everyone! Today, we're learning some super useful words that you can use in daily conversations like a native speaker. So, if you want to sound more natural in English, keep watching. Errand. A short trip to do a necessary task. I need to run some errands this afternoon, like going to the bank and grocery store. Instead of saying, I have things to do, try using, I have errands to run. Commute. The daily travel between home and work. My commute to work takes 30 minutes by bus. You can ask someone, how long is your commute? Hang out. Spend time with friends in a relaxed way. Let's hang out this weekend and watch a movie. Instead of saying, meet up, try hang out for casual situations. Grab a bite. Eat something quickly. I'm hungry. Let's grab a bite before the meeting. This is more natural than saying, let's eat something. Chores. Household tasks like cleaning or doing laundry. I can't go out now. I have to finish my chores first. Instead of saying, housework, use chores for everyday tasks. Run late. Be delayed. Sorry, I'm running late. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Instead of saying, I'm late, say, I'm running late, to sound more natural. Catch up. Talk to someone after a long time. It was so nice to catch up with you after so long. Instead of saying, let's talk, try, let's catch up, when meeting a friend you haven't seen in a while.